For proper setup and operation, you will need to familiarize yourself with the following seam stripper components. The power brake switch, located on the right side of the motor assembly. The switch will need to be in the power position for operation and in the brake position when installing or replacing the stripper head. Located in the center of the motor assembly is the run switch. The run switch is momentary, and the seam stripper will not run unless the switch is engaged. This requires the operator to use two hands during operation, one engaging the run switch and one rotating the control handle. The hand wheel and provided punch are used to loosen and tighten the stripper head. The stripper head with Lexan shield. Installing and replacing the stripper head and shield will be covered later in this video. The Kydex safety shield, which is in place to capture any debris during operation. The positioning bars located on the center plate are used to center the can and ensure proper contact is made with the stripper head during operation. The control handle, located on the right side of the stripper, moves the center plate up and down. Finally, the gear height control and 3-arm knob, located on the lower left side of the stripper, are used to adjust the height of the center plate when stripping different can sizes. Let's take a closer look at the two types of supplied stripper heads, bottom cutters and top cutters. The top cutters are a wider stripper head with a brass fitting in the middle, which will fit over the aerosol can nozzle. The bottom cutters have 4 cutter wheels exposed on the outside of the stripper head and will fit snugly against the bottom of the aerosol can. Each stripper head comes with a safety shield that slides over the top of the stripper head as demonstrated here. To attach the stripper head, you will first need to ensure the power switch is in the brake position. Put the stem of the stripper head in the chuck so the shoulder is touching the underside of the hand wheel. Rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise until the stripper head is secured, then use the punch and hand wheel to finish tightening. To remove the stripper head, insert the punch and rotate the hand wheel clockwise just enough to loosen the hand wheel. Use one hand to hold the stripper head and continue rotating the hand wheel until the stripper head drops free. The seam stripper will need to be adjusted to fit the can height to be stripped. When properly adjusted, there should be about half a turn on the control handle before the can engages with the stripper head. Place the can on the urethane pad and adjust the positioning bars until the can lines up with the stripper head. Using the gear height control and arm knob, raise or lower the center plate until properly adjusted. While adjusting the table height, center the can directly under the stripper head and adjust the positioning bars so they are snug against the can. This will ensure proper contact is made with the stripper head. Once you have installed the proper stripper head and adjusted the table height, you are ready to strip your can. To strip the can, turn the power switch on. Insert the can against the positioning bars. Rotate the control handle so the can is touching the stripper head and then engage the run switch. Apply moderate pressure until you feel a sudden decrease in resistance, signaling the cover hook has disengaged from the body hook. Then disengage the run switch and rotate the control handle to rest the center plate on the gear height control. If the can is stripped properly, the lid should be separated from the can and the cover hook easily removed using the supplied nippers. A black plastic sleeve is included with your seam stripper. The sleeve should be used on taller aerosol cans to ensure the can does not collapse during the stripping operation. Slide the sleeve about 1/8 of an inch underneath the lid as shown here.